Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Thinking about using Finelo to learn investing in 2025. So let's see if it's legit or a hidden trap. Ready? Go. So Finelo is a gamified investment trading app with quizzes, marketing simulators, and the AI-driven content across investor, trader, crypto, and passive income tracks. So it has the clean UI, structured learning, and risk-free trading simulations make it deal for absolute beginners. Now let's talk about the subscription and fees. So premium model hides paywall and for core content. Trial often auto renews to $20 to $40 per month unless cancelled. User reports auto renew charges, difficulty cancelling the no result even within the trial period. Now, many beginners say that it is a great gateway into investing. Like a users from Reddit said that made me not feel clueless. Simulator with feedback was super helpful. Then it offers 270 plus hours of learning touching stocks, options, crypto, and saving strategies. So what it doesn't do? So content is basic, intermediate, and advanced user may or outgrow it quickly. Lacks responsive supports and community features. Concerns about aggressive marketing, emotional quizzes, and possible affiliate add-ons. Now here is the final verdict for you. Finelo is legitimate, but with caveats. So great for beginners who want attractive lessons and practices. But beware of auto-renew fees, poor refund policies, and low-depth content. Now here is a pro tip for you. Use the free trial, explore the early lessons, and cancel before the trial ends or risk paying full price. So not a scam, but not groundbreaking, worth it if you need structure, but avoid if you are price conscious or already experienced. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.